Means of transport. 11.1.2 Facilitated diffusion. NCERT page number 176 and 177. Question number 1. The process of passive transport of molecules or ions across a biological membrane via specific transmembrane integral proteins is called as. Options are 1. Simple diffusion, 2. Facilitated diffusion, 3. Active transport, 4. Imbibition. The answer is option 2. Facilitated diffusion. Question number 2. Rate of diffusion. Options are 1. Depend on size and do not substance diffuse larger. 2. Doesn't depend on size. 3. Depend on size and smaller substance diffuse faster. 4. Depend on size and larger substance diffuse faster. The answer is option 3. Depend on size and smaller substance diffuse faster. Question number 3. Which is the major constituent of the membrane? Options are 1. Lipids, 2. Polysaccharides, 3. Nucleic acids, 4. Phosphates. The answer is option 1. Lipids. Question number 4. The diffusion of any substance across a membrane also depends on its. Options are 1. Solubility in acid, 2. Solubility in lipids, 3. Both 1 and 2, 4. None of the above. The answer is option 2. Solubility in lipids. Question number 5. Which substances diffuse through the membrane faster? Options are 1. Lipid-soluble substances, 2. Acid-soluble substances, 3. Water-soluble substances, 4. None of the above. The answer is option 2. Lipid-soluble substances. Question number 6. Hydrophilic moiety substances. Options are 1. Diffuse through a membrane easily, 2. Need no membrane facilitation to diffuse through, 3. Find it difficult to pass through the membrane, 4. Both 1 and 2. The answer is option 3. Find it difficult to pass through the membrane. Question number 7. Substances that have a hydrophilic moiety find it difficult to pass through the membrane. Their movement has to be facilitated by. Options are 1. Membrane proteins, 2. Membrane lipids, 3. Phosphates present in membrane, 4. Both 2 and 3. The answer is option 1. Membrane proteins. Question number 8. How many are incorrect from the following statements? Options are a. Membrane proteins aid in transport of hydrophobic substance, b. Membrane proteins set up a concentration gradient, c. Diffusion through membrane proteins is called facilitated diffusion, d. Membrane proteins always need ATP to transport substances across membrane. Options are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. The answer is option 3, 3 statements, A, B and D. Question number 9. What is the function of membrane proteins? Options are 1. Diverting the molecules, 2. Provide sites at which such molecules cross the membrane, 3. Set up the concentration gradient, 4. Both 2 and 3. The answer is option 2. Provide sites at which such molecules cross the membrane. Question number 10. In facilitated diffusion, options are 1. Special proteins and ATP are involved, 2. Only special proteins are involved, 3. Only ATP are involved, 4. Neither special proteins nor ATP are involved. The answer is option 2. Only special proteins are involved. Question number 11. Facilitated diffusion cannot. Options are 1. Transport molecules from low concentration to high concentration through special proteins, 2. Transport molecules from high concentration to low concentration through special proteins, 3. Concentration does not matter, 4. Both 1 and 2. The answer is option 1. Transport molecules from low concentration to high concentration through special proteins. Question number 12. Transport rate reaches a maximum when all of the protein transporters are being used is called as. Options are 1. Saturation, 2. Activation, 3. Inhibition, 4. None of the above. The answer is option 1. Saturation. Question number 13. Facilitated diffusion is sensitive to inhibitors which react with. Options are 1. Lipid side chains, 2. Protein side chains, 3. Polysaccharide in membrane, 4. None of the above. The answer is option 2. Protein side chains. Question number 14. Facilitated diffusion transport is 1. Saturable, 2. Unsaturable, 3. Inhibitable, 4. Non-inhibitable, 5. Selective, 6. Non-selective, 7. Uphill, 8. Downhill. Which is the correct combination? Options are 1. 1. 3. 5. 7. 2. 2. 4. 6. 7. 3. 1. 3. 5. 8. 4. 1. 4. 6. 8. The answer is option 1. 1. 3. 5. 7. Saturable, inhibitable, selective, and uphill. Question number 15. Proteins that form large pores in the outer membranes of the plastids, mitochondria and some bacteria, allowing molecules up to the size of small proteins to pass through without energy, are called as. Options are 1. Porins, 2. Protein pumps, 3. Peripheral proteins, 4. All of the above. The answer is option 1. Porins. Question number 16. Porins are found in. Options are 1. Membrane of vacuole and some bacteria, 2. Both outer and inner membrane of mitochondria and some bacteria, 3. Inner membrane of plastids and mitochondria, 4. Outer membrane of plastids, mitochondria and some bacteria. The answer is option 4. Outer membrane of plastids, mitochondria and some bacteria. Question number 17. Porins are allowing molecules up to the. Options are 1. Size of lipids to pass through, 2. Size of large proteins to pass through, 3. Size of small proteins to pass through, 4. None of the above. The answer is option 3. Size of small proteins to pass through. Question number 18. Water channels are. Options are 1. An extracellular molecule bound to the transport protein. The transport protein then rotates and releases the molecule inside the cell. 2. Size of large proteins to pass through directly. 3. Size of small proteins to pass through directly. 4. None of the above. The answer is option 1. An extracellular molecule bound to the transport protein. The transport protein then rotates and releases the molecule inside the cell. Question number 19. Water channels, made up of. Options are 1. 6 different types of aquaporins, 2. 8 different types of aquaporins, 3. 18 different types of aquaporins, 4. 30 different types of aquaporins. The answer is option 2. 8 different types of aquaporins. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.